Hi there, SMS-iT community. Did you know that you can use the SMS-iT video ads platform by creating product demos? That's right. You can create interactive video ads that showcase your product's features and benefits, allowing customers to learn more about the product before making a purchase. And I will show you today on how you can do that. So you must have seen the video already uh, about a specific shoe brand, which is Nike, that we created a video ads for it and have a product demo. And this is how we made it. So, first of all, if you want to add or promote your products in the e-commerce section, you would have to set up your default payment settings first. And you can do that by going to settings here and click on payment settings. You can add PayPal or Stripe. It's highly recommended to use Stripe for now. So you just put in your keys here and click on save. That way, if someone buys your product on the video, you would be immediately paid into these uh, payment platforms. So once this is added, you just go to e-commerce here and go to products. And this is where you can see all your product list. And to add a product, just simply click on add product here. And you can put the name, category, the description, the picture of the product, the price, and currency. You can even add if there's a bundle of it. Now I've already pre-created a product here, which is the Nike Revolution 5 Bends. And you can see that on the list that you have here. So once you've created your products that you want to sell, what you need to do next is just go to create video. And I've already pre-created a video here actually. So let's say you have a very nice commercial video already. Just for this one, for example, is Nike. And you just put it here on type and YouTube. Add your link. Click this. And put a name. Okay, Nike shoes. So I already added that here. And as you can see, this is the YouTube video. And we've already added a product. How we added this product is by going here into your editor options and click on product. And in the lower right corner is where you can find the existing products that you already created in the products or e-commerce section earlier. But you can also create here if you want. But for now, we're just gonna go with this existing product that we created, which is the Nike Revolution 5 Men's. And as you can see, it would appear right here in front of your video. So on our pre-created product or video here, this is what we made. And what I really like on this video is that there's a quote here almost at the end part that says, you need to be better than your excuses. Right. That's where I inserted this text. So that's one of the amazing features of the SMS video ads, that you can add a text as an element. So be better than your excuses. Right here. And I wanted to show this almost after the because there were some people talking on the video, airing out their sentiments, right? As you can see, I can't go for a run. I've been really needing a workout. Ankle is still swollen. So just all excuses. So then I wanted to show the text here. and allowing me to sell or promote the product that I have available, and they can actually buy it directly from the video that you have. So there you go. That's how simple it is. A lot of steps, but it's pretty straightforward. So you just upload a video commercial. You click on products there. Make sure that you've already added those products, and you simply put it on the video. And I hope this helps you out on promoting your product, and you can utilize this on selling the products that you want to sell. So I'll see you guys in the other videos. That will be all for today. Bye.